this is a tutorial to show you how to connect a Lightning wallet to the Damus app. To do this tutorial, you're going to need two apps. One is Damus, you can see here in purple. I'm going to choose to use Wallet of Satoshi, which is a Lightning wallet, and you can see that one with the Lightning bolt on it. And that's just one of many wallets. You can choose any wallet you want, but I think it has a pretty good UX for how it integrates with Damus, so that's the one I'm going to demo. Make sure you download those from the App Store. We already showed you how to get your account set up in other videos. I'll link those in case there are any doubts. So I'll show you this account. Now, I just made this account for the purposes of creating a demo, so you can see that it doesn't have anything Lightning related in it. We're going to first visit the account of Will, so I'm going to tap on that picture of Will, and you can see the Lightning bolt in the profile right there, right in the middle of the screen. And that Lightning bolt means that he has a Lightning wallet connected to Damus, so he can accept payments if you want to send him some money. I'm going to tap on my account and then profile, and you can see on my profile for this new account I created, there is no Lightning bolt. And so we want to fix that so that we can accept money. In case somebody sees an interesting note that we write, they might want to tip us. We want to enable that. It's very easy, but you have to understand how it integrates with this app. Now, Damus doesn't hold any funds for you. So that's why we have a second app. The second app I'm going to demo with is called Wallet of Satoshi. So we're going to open up Wallet of Satoshi, and it says Wallet of Satoshi would like to paste from Damus. Do you want to allow this? And we're going to allow paste. And that means that I can let the Damus app launch the Wallet of Satoshi with things like Lightning invoices ready to be paid. When you first download and install Wallet of Satoshi, you'll have 0 sats. Right now you can see I have 979 sats. And a sat is short for Satoshi, which is a tiny little fraction of a Bitcoin. When you open up Wallet of Satoshi, it's going to have 0 sats. Now at the bottom of the screen here, you can see a receive button. We're going to tap that. And when we go to receive, there are several different things we could receive. And you can see the 3 tabs at the top. Lightning, which is an invoice. We're not going to use that one. Bitcoin, we're not going to use right now. We're going to use the one over on the far right called Lightning address. And you can see there are 2 broad ways to specify your address. One is using that thing that looks like an email address, but it's an email address for Bitcoin. So I'm going to first copy that one. And now I'm going to go into the Damus app. Here, I'll start from home. I tap my profile in the upper left. Then I tap the profile menu item. Then I tap the edit button. And then I can scroll down here. And there's a section called Bitcoin Lightning Tips. And it says I can either paste a Lightning address or an LN URL. So we just copied a Lightning address. So we're going to go ahead and paste that Lightning address in here. And don't forget, you have to scroll to the bottom and tap save. Now we've saved, and you can see that that Lightning bolt shows up on my profile. That means I'm ready that if somebody wanted to send me a Lightning payment, I'm ready to accept it. And when I accept it, it's going to go not into Damus, but it's going to go into the Wallet of Satoshi that I have set up. What's really nice on Damus, there's a lot of people who are just willing to send you free money. Just little bits, but it's fun because you get to play with it. I'd be happy to send you some. There's an account called Bitcoin Bull that likes to send these things out. This guy, Bitcoin Bull, he'll send sats via Lightning to new Nostr user. He's already paid 450,000 sats and counting. I've actually chatted with him. It's totally legit. And I'm going to visit his account and see where it says npub right there. I'm going to tap that little copy icon next to it. So I copied it. Now I have it ready because the way that I can tag him is by mentioning his npub. So I'm going to tap here and I'm going to do and I'm going to paste that crazy character string. That specifies @Bitcoin Bull. Now we're going to use a Lightning invoice. And what this means is I could add a custom amount. So maybe I want to request 21 Satoshis. Now that's an invoice that's me requesting 21 Satoshis. And I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Now when I paste that, and I'm going to actually mention what I'm doing, I'm demoing sharing a Lightning invoice in a YouTube video. So we're going to post, and you can see the way Damus renders that, there's a Lightning invoice, Wallet of Satoshi, 21 sats. And so anybody who sees that can tap pay, and then that'll let the Damus app lets them choose the wallet they want, and then they can use that wallet to send me Satoshis. So we're at 979, and if we sit here for a little bit, I bet somebody will come and pay us. And there you go. You can see somebody fulfilled our invoice. Now we have 1,000 sats in the Wallet of Satoshi, even though we started with 979. Now we're going to show how to pay it forward. We'll start back at the home feed, and somebody paid us 21 sats. We're going to go over to tap on this guy, Will. Will is the author of Damus. He's the person who created the app that we're using. And so let's tap on his Lightning bolt in his profile, and we'll launch Wallet of Satoshi. And we can pay him whatever we'd like, and let's pass along 21 sats that we were just gifted, so we'll gift it forward to him. You should actually give him a bigger tip than this because he created this whole app and gave it away for free. We'll see what happens when I tap OK. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's an OK button, so I'm going to press that. Payment is on its way, and now we've deducted 21 sats. So that's the basics of how you use the Damus app and Wallet of Satoshi to set up a Lightning wallet that's part of your profile in Damus. And as soon as you set it up, you should go out there and issue an invoice. I would recommend 21 sats. It's kind of a fun number that people like to send. Create an invoice to request 21 sats, write a nice message, and maybe offer to pay it forward. And so you can see how to receive and send magic internet money. And if you tag me, I will send you 21 sats. So go ahead and tag me. I'll list my npub key in the description. And if you tag me in your note, I'll send you 21 sats. Easy as that. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions about how to use Damus with the wallet of Satoshi or any other problems that you might run into. I want to help everybody learn how to use this new technology.